Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can configure your Panasonic TV running Fire TV operating system to control and output audio only through the wired connection to your headphones. So first of all, make sure that you connected your headphones via a jack or a 3.5mm cable. Then go into the home menu by pressing the home button, which will bring you here. And then by using the right arrow key, go to settings. Here, scroll down to display and audio, and then navigate to audio output. Here, please ensure that the first option, the headphone jack, is selected on or set to connect, and then go to audio output mode. Here you'll have three options. You have headphone, which is actually what you want. So in this way, the TV will only output through the headphone speakers. You have a combination between TV speaker and headphone, and a combination between TV speaker and subwoofer. Now please note we have a separate video where we explain how to set up the volume control between the TV speaker and headphone. And as a last note, we just wanted to highlight that this option is not available for wireless headphones. So at this moment, you can only use the setting with wired headphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.